MSD Productions.
MSD Bowlers, it's been a challenging game for the Team Wild East dahil 5 players lang sila but still they win the game. And for the best bowler for the Team Wild East is Mr. Dwayne Adriano. Let's congratulate Mr. Dwayne Adriano. Congratulations, Dwayne. How to be you po? It's been a challenging game for the Team Wild East kasi 5 players lang kayo. So, anong ginawa mong motivation para maging best bowler and manalo ang Team Wild East?
Sa dad ko po. Saka sa dad ko po, pati sa mga team.
So, sa pagiging bata mo, naging motivation mo yan para dun sa mga kalaban mo na over ang age para
Hindi ko
sa'yo?
po inisip yung sa age.
Okay. Meron ka bang gustong batiin para sa ano?
Sa daddy ko lang po.
Sino ba yung daddy mo?
Kenneth Adriano.
Hello daw to Kenneth Adriano, kanyang daddy. Ang kanyang inspiration for this game. Okay, thank you again and congratulations. And we will award this mythical file for Dwayne Adriano. Please have it ba? Okay, congratulations again. Okay na. Let's move forward for our best bowler, for our second game, battle for champion and first placer. Back to you, MSD.